All right, hello everyone, and it's a quick update on the portfolio. And I didn't really want to do this video, but I am doing it, and here it is. So I think at the peak, FMG for me was up maybe 40%. I think it got to over 26. Bendigo was near $10. Hawkstone, I actually sold out of Hawkstone. It's still showing up. That actually was a $2,100 winner for me. I don't know what I'm going to title the video. Maybe like I made $2,100 and then my longer term plays kabooshed me, to quote Stephen Kalajian, famous day trader from the States. And INF actually sort of, it's only down 5%. FMG, I'll have to look into this pretty extensively. Look, I am a fanboy of Andrew Forrest. I'm a fanboy of Elon Musk. And you can see the trade here in regards to the entry price and everything like that. Wednesday was rough. Thursday was stable on FMG, sort of, and then Friday was up 2.3% in the first 30 minutes or so, even maybe the first 45 minutes, and then it just it took a bit of a beating. But, in the grand scheme of things, and Tesla's actually below 800 as well. So I will acknowledge that we have been very lucky to have, we've been spoiled rotten and had such a run. This chart right here now, I like to go to the daily. You know what? Let's go to the weekly. I'm going to sip from my Pokemon cup. It's just coffee as well. I'm not drowning my sorrows. I had a good workout this morning. Hawkstone was really good, but this is not so much. I mean, that's Jesus Christ. That weekly candle. That is, but there was a couple of great weeks. So that is I guess when things start falling, they fall fast. So the peak of it all was early January, 2640. And I mean, I know, and I've discussed this in videos as well, where, and the volume was pretty high too. The moves have been very strong. So I'm going to have to look into this in a little more detail in regards to, the global picture in regards to what's going on with iron ore and everything like that. Volumes are pretty, people are just taking profits. It looks like there's no panicking, there's no dipping, there's no real strong dip buy. Like, we go to the daily, let's just see how this all. So it was all red, except the 20. Well, that doesn't make any sense because the 25th was a goddamn public holiday. But maybe Tuesday. Tuesday didn't do much, but it's showing the 25th of January there. So there's a lot of red this week. What's my trade plan? It did turn at 21. So what I will do, I haven't actually closed anything out, and it's probably, reckless for me to not take any profits. I was up in the $9,000 figure. I mean, this trade has been open since, August. I started building position into this once I got some capital together. So I am, late. I know some people have been in from a long time ago. And it's just, just watching this and what it's doing. I'm gonna have to see what it does on Monday. Oh my goodness, so that's what the S&P did. This is the first time I've checked it this morning. I sort of thought I'd just clean my head and go to the gym, and it's going to be interesting on Monday. That's not great at all. And it's, pierced through 37.59. We've got 3,700. It's holding 3,700. So I have to wait and see what this does. But really, Bendigo I'm quite comfortable holding. I see upside in that, and that's not really pulled back as aggressively. As you can see there on the daily, it's sort of held up, and everything was pretty red. And then INF. So I am in INF. My thoughts is that if we don't see any bounce, I might just liquidate everything in regards to FMG and then position myself for a bounce. Now, will that happen at 21? I mean, should I wait till 21 flat and, get in there or add into that? Let's just check the levels. You see it did. It caught a bit at 21 flat. So, but like I said, I'm going to have to investigate what's going on. I mean, there is chatter about a real healthy dividend as well coming in March, and also some hydrogen developments as well. So I talked about, I had a take profit at 30, and it didn't get there, and it stabilized and cooled off a little bit, and then here we go. So it's a significant breakdown, in regards to what has been happening with the stock recently. That's 3 significant red days and a gap down. So that's really bearish. Looking at that right now, I mean, fuck, we could get down to goddamn 18 flat. So it's it's just a matter of now actively managing the position and watching to see. I think really honestly 21. I'm going to give it a little breathing room and a little bit of space. And, on Monday we might see a gap down again. And it's just the dip buyers are not interested, that's all. So I think, guys, I have rattled on enough about all this. So I'm going to leave it be. Hope everyone has a good weekend. Thanks for watching, and I will update everyone next week on. I haven't been posting as much on YouTube. I do post to Forex Trading Asia, where I discuss stocks as well. It's not just Forex, but I will post a video on Monday as well on YouTube as well, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, guys, and stay positive. Bye for now.